YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Wavy Mach, and we back on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? We back here. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. So in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing reveal. Unboxing. This is a 360 Jeezy brush. Shout out to 360 Jeezy. He the GOAT. So let's get straight into it. I ain't even get to look at it yet, but look. Oh my God. Jesus. What? What? Stop playing with him, yo. It's 360 Jeezy. Wow. Yo, this is fire, yo. For real, for real. If you haven't picked one up, you was definitely sleeping. So yeah, shout out to this 360 Jeezy brush. Hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency. Yo, the box is fire. Into it. Wow. This is incredible. The box is fire. 360 is known for his 360 crown and his energetic personality. Yeah, I'm not about to read the rest, but wow, I'll read the rest on my own time. But this is tough. This is tough. I don't even know how you open this. Ooh, shit got a magnetic flap and everything. Oh yeah, this is fire. Fire right here. Take this out. This is a medium soft brush. This brush is just fire. Just a fire ass brush. Boom, the brush is fire. The brush is fire. But let's see how it feels on the waves though. For real, I want to see how this feels. But anyways, if you guys haven't copped it already, go cop it, 360gz.com. YouTube, yes sir, 360 Jeezy brush touched down. Mad hype to use it, talk about it and whatnot. But yeah, a few things I would like to talk about this brush is it's a 2-in-1 brush. As you can see, you could brush your waves with it, and you see that corner how I'm working the crown. I'm just tapping it slightly. Right there is it's a 2-in-1 brush. It's a crown brush and it's a wave brush. So you can't beat that. And going back to, is it worth it? Is it worth it? Of course it's worth it. For one, it's 360 Jeezy. He's been helping us for years. And for two, you see how I just switched the brush? See how I just rotated it? And now the other side has a point to it too. So both sides have a perfect point for a 360 swirl pattern. As you can see, both sides have a point to it. And ever since I've been using this brush, it's been locking in my crown a lot better. Especially you just throw a crown patch on top of that, put a do-rag on with a compression cap, crown ain't going nowhere. So yeah, just a quick tip on when you're using this brush and you're using the edge of it. You want to slightly tap at the crown. You don't want to really pull the whole hair down. You want to tap at your crown. I'm going to show it to you in about 2 seconds. But you're going to see me tap at my crown and slightly swirl it around. See that? I'm tapping it down, slightly swirling it around. And then the other end of the brush, rotate it, and boom, close off that crown area. So if I were to rate the brush, I'd give it a 10 out of a 10. But that's enough talk. I'm gonna show you guys how to work the brush, and I'm just gonna speed it up now. And I definitely forgot to mention that this brush right here is definitely one of the last brushes I'm gonna buy, and probably the only brush I'm finna use. So if you guys gonna ask me what brush am I using, it's right here. The link will be in the bio. We out of here.
Look at these brushes.
Look at these brushes.
Yeah, look at these.
How many brushes do we have?
5.
A lot.
Yeah, look at these.
Seen this one?
Yeah.